Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device off and removing the SIM and case. This prevents shorts and gives access. Once done, gather a 1.22 mm screwdriver, plastic pry tool, tweezers, and isopropyl 90% for cleaning. Make sure to work on a flat, static-free surface and separate screws by size so you won't mix them. Now open clips gently. Pry along seams, not the screen. This avoids cracking. As you lift the back, look for ribbon cables and note the volume button housing location. You should disconnect the battery connector first, safety and electrostatic reasons so you don't damage the board. Then remove the internal plate covering the volume assembly. Inspect for a loose screw, bent metal bracket, or compressed foam pad that causes play. If a screw is loose, tighten it gently, not over-tighten. If a bracket is bent, realign it with tweezers. Clean the contact area with isopropyl and a cotton swab. If foam is worn, cut a 0.51 mm shim, or replace the foam pad to restore tension. Once repairs are in place, reconnect the battery and reassemble the device in reverse order. Secure screws to their original locations and snap the cover back carefully. Now test the volume buttons through several short presses and a long press to confirm both tactile feel and electrical response. Do this before fully sealing any adhesive. If the button feels stiff or intermittent, make sure the foam shim is seated. If issues persist, replace the button module or consult a repair shop. Troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.